Hey Crafty Rebels, welcome to February's exclusive tutorial. So really excited to get started and work on this project. I hope you're doing well. So I'm going to be doing a stuffed pocket tutorial. You've seen me make some like this where I fold over the side, but this one I did a little bit differently because this paper would crack. It was really weird, so I just cut it up and did it this way. But I thought it'd be fun to do a 6x6 pocket, but using like a gusset instead. So I'm just gonna go ahead and measure out, get an idea. So this is 6x6. Let me get my scoreboard. I'm not good with measurements, but this much of the scoreboard here all around. I'm just gonna go ahead and score. So I think this is half an inch, so it's the little notch under that. It's a little notch right before half an inch. So this measures up to 6. That's the size of my pocket, so I'm just adding another 1/4 of an inch or whatever it is. Alright, so now let's see. Let me measure this piece for you guys. Alright, so to make the pocket, it's going to be 6 3/4. I'm just going to cut this much off. And you can cut this before you score. And I'm going to score the same on the bottom. So the final piece that you're going to need is going to be 6 3/4 by 4 inches. Now I'm just going to cut off this square on the corner. And also angle this, cut out these little triangles from here. Looks like this. Do that. I am going to go and trim the paper that I'm going to want to use for this pocket. I'm going to be using this pattern from my Radical Love collection, and I'm just going to go in again and eyeball it. And then, see? Oh, that's going to look so cute. Okay. And what you can do with the scrap is you can add it to the inside of the pocket too. Alright, so let's glue things down. I'm going to be using whatever I have here, the permanent adhesive, the little mini one from Tombow. That's good enough. And now to adhere the flaps down, I'm going to actually use the Mono Multi. And I'm just going to add a thin amount, because this stuff is strong. Right, so I think I'm gonna want to round the corners on top here. And I'm using my little corner rounder. I have a bigger one, but I like to use a little one for these type of things. All right, perfect. And that's it. Really simple. It kind of looks like a giant library pocket almost. It's really fun. And now we get to decorate it. Recently created these Halloween Valentines, and I might want to use them to decorate. So let's see. I thought that would be fun to kind of just add in the middle. I'm going to go with the devilish one. I think that's really cute. Devilishly in love with you. I made up all the little puns, but this is actually a lyric from the Spill Canvas, and the rest I kind of came up with myself. Maybe use the Tombow removable so that they are able to like easily take this off and use it for themselves. Because the thing with the removable, you can just rub it off with your finger and it'll come off really easy. So I think that'd be really fun for my recipient, because not only is it something that they can use, they can also take it off. And I shouldn't have had some, see? All right, so I'll show you guys. I shouldn't have had some the top, and look how easily it comes off. Perfect. I don't know if I should add some ribbon. Let's see what I have. Okay, so I'm gonna add some of this iridescent ribbon so that it can mimic the iridescent washi tape that's over here. To glue it down, I'm going to use a Tombow Aqua Liquid Glue. Okay. And now I can add this right on top. Let me just add some more. There we go. Looks really, really cute. Let's start adding some stuff in. And so I think I'm gonna go with, I have some of these heart stickers. And this is why the background, why I left the background blank, is that it can show through the packaging of the items that I'm gonna include. I have some of these stickers. So I'll put like that. Oh, this is so fun. And then I even have some Valentine cut-aparts that are very retro. These type of Valentines is what inspired to make my Halloween Valentines. I think they turned out really, really cute. If you Rebels want to see how I created these Halloween cards, there's going to be a blog post on Tombow. I'll link it in the video below when it's posted live for everyone to see. I have some of these heart gems, which this one flipped, so let me fix that. And these are fun to be peeking through. I also have these roses, these rose gems, and these heart pearls. These are really cute, so I packaged them together. So let me see how I'm gonna do that. By creating that little gusset, it creates more space and you're able to stick more in this type of pocket than in the flatter pockets. So there's that. And then I also have more gems. I picked up all of this stuff from my local dollar store this year because I thought these were so cute. This might fall to the bottom, so I'm going to play around with it a little bit more. There we go. That's fun. And maybe I'll put that here. So if you have little decorative picks, you can add one in. I bought these giant little hearts. I thought they were so cute. Let me see if I can make my own by adding this wooden skewer. Let's see if I can do this. Ah, it worked. Okay. Guys, I suck at making bows, so I always do the little bunny ears. That's how I've always done my bows or tie my shoes. I know how to do the one loop, but I usually just always do bunny. But when it comes to tying really cute bows like this, peeking through like here. So here we go. Really cute, really simple, easy to make, and you can stuff them up with so many goodies for your pen pals. So let's create another one. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna score at this little less than ½ inch. It could be 5/8. I'm not quite sure. I was never very good at fractions. If you have the Martha Stewart scoring board, it's the little notch that's under the ½ inch. You're gonna score that same measurement on all 3 sides. So since I already made one, I'm probably gonna speed up the rest of this video. You guys can enjoy. I'm gonna put some music on and hope you enjoy watching my process. The iridescent ribbon and added the removable adhesive on the little ghosty. I decided to pair the ghost Valentine with this pocket, even though this would be really good for a vampire one, but I didn't have a vampire image, so okay, so there we go. All right, so this is my super easy foolproof way to create really fun embellished loaded pockets for Valentine's Day for your pen pals and to send happy mail. And so yeah, this is the pocket, how everything looks. And I think it turns out really, really cute. If you guys recreate this, please don't forget to add it into the Facebook group, or you can add photos of it on the community tab here on Patreon. I can't wait to see your version and your take on these pockets. I hope you do get to share them with us. All right, Rebels, see you in the next video. Bye.